Hey guys, so welcome back to another day of Vlogmas. It is Vlogmas day 17. And first of all, if you are new here, my name is Sahida. I'm a compliance analyst as well as a content creator here on YouTube and on Instagram. Yeah, if I sound funny, it's because of the aligners, okay? If I have a lisp, it's because of the aligners touching my tongue. Anyways, how y'all doing? I hope you guys are doing well. I just got done from running my errands. I had a half day today at work, thankfully. I think I need to do this more often, even though this one was like department wide. I think I need to start scheduling some random half days because I got a lot accomplished and I'm feeling good that I ain't got to deal with nothing else on a Friday afternoon. So yeah, I am currently home. Right now I'm about to edit today's vlog because I have not posted yet. So I'm hoping to get that up before 4. And then I will probably, I don't know. I was supposed to be doing something with my girl, right? So a couple days ago, actually about a week ago, I was supposed to make rum pulpo with one of my besties, Lisette. Unfortunately, she didn't have all the ingredients she needed. Her hubby had left with like one of the grocery bags, and so she couldn't do it with me. And I decided, because I had made saril the day before, that I wasn't going to do it without her, or I would just do it on another day, because I'm like, this was a plan for us to like kick it and be in the kitchen and video call with each other, and it didn't work out. So I was like, whatever, I ain't gonna do it. And now I still have the ingredients. I don't know when she's gonna do hers, but I'm thinking I might do mine this evening and share the recipe that I have. I'm the type of person that when I have recipes though, like I like to put my own little spin on things. Like if it's I don't know, for example, if I'm somebody who loves nutmeg and the recipe requires nutmeg and it says like do a teaspoon, I'll do like a teaspoon and a half, 2 teaspoons. So the exact recipe is not going to be exactly how I make it. That's what I'm boiling it down to. Okay, that's the point I'm trying to get at. But yeah, that's all I am doing right now. Like I said, just about to get my computer and edit. Hey y'all. So I did all of that recording today for my Vlogmas Day 16 and a half video to be at the second half of day 17, or the video for day 17, and not have much at all. Didn't plan this. You know what though? A part of it, again, even though I didn't plan for my girl to be doing the recipe with me, I did think that because she was off from work, I'm like, ooh, maybe I could just call her up and I can make it with her and we could chat and catch up. But then some BS happened. Just some flight and a whole freaking mess with some flights that have to be moved around, and it's just a chaotic situation for her, and it's right before the holidays and it's really, really stressful. So that kind of turned my mood for her, just because that shit sucks. Like, she's invested so much money, and for her, this trip that she was planning to just not go as planned at all is kind of effed up. So yeah, right now I just got done editing and posting today's video. It is 9 o'clock. It is 9 o'clock. I feel stuffy AF. And I just got done posting that video. So that's messed up. That's really, really late. I strive for 12, between 12 and 2, and it's 9. But yeah, I have a half a glass of saril left that's on my dresser. I'm about to grab that. And I don't know if I'm going to watch anything on Netflix. I'm more than likely going to pull something up on YouTube. And y'all, my nails have been popping off like crazy. So I know you guys seen it in the last vlog. The only reason this hand is somewhat all together is because I used nail glue to stick the one that popped off back on. But yeah, so that is what is going on. That is how my evening is right now as of 9:15. I am stuffy, finna drink my saril and just catch up on some YouTube vlogs, and then I will probably check in with you guys when I am getting ready for bed.
We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. You like the fast life, you like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby, I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately, and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. We're in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed. I wonder, would you love me better if I go? I'm not home. I wonder, can we trust the stars above to let us know how to go? We only got this life, no guarantees and stars align. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to
Skincare is done. So skincare is done. I did brush my teeth and floss, so I am about to pop my liners back on. I'm not excited because you know they were a little tight, and yeah, I'm probably gonna pop an Advil because I think that's gonna give me a headache. And oh, I should have took my sleeping gummies. Oh, I'm gonna have to brush my teeth again. Golly. Yeah, I keep forgetting to take my sleeping gummies before I brush my teeth. So for the last few nights, I've had trouble sleeping because I refuse to pop my liners out, take the gummies, and then do it again. So, dang. Let me go ahead and just do it. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and take the gummies, brush my teeth again, and then I will pop my liners on, and then I think I'm gonna take an Advil and go to sleep. No, I'm gonna take an Advil and then either play some solitaire on my phone or watch some YouTube until I get sleepy, and then I'll start to wind down.
Satisfying you while I keep bleeding. I don't know why.
Hey guys, good morning and welcome to the second portion of this vlog because I don't know how much footage I recorded yesterday. So I think I have to do an extension into today in order to make it like a full vlog because I hate these little short vlogs. Anyways, I think, well, I'm about to run my errands, and then when I'm done with my errands, I'm gonna come back home and start tomorrow's vlog. But yeah, so I am headed to Nespresso so I can pick up some Nespresso pods, Trader Joe's, Home Goods maybe. Well, Home Goods is closer to the Nespresso store. If they're not packed, because yesterday they were packed and their parking lot was full and I wasn't about to drive around or park a mile away just to go to Home Goods. So if Home Goods is packed, then I'll probably stop at TJ Maxx on my way home. I'm just looking, like I said in yesterday's vlog, I'm looking for like some living room throw pillows. But yeah, Trader Joe's, possibly Target, we'll see.
Let you go, but it's like something else me die. You might break my heart.
You guys, so I have pretty much done all my stops. I had to make unexpected last minute stop to Target because Trader Joe's did not have, they didn't have what I was looking for. Matter of fact, let me go this way. With that being said, I have one more stop to make. I have to stop at the gas station because I am maybe 20 miles. I have 20 miles left worth of gas, and it's cold. Like, if it was the summertime, baby, I wouldn't care. Are you turning or what? What are you doing? Yeah, if it was the summertime, I really wouldn't care. However, it's so cold that you need to have enough gas in your car just in case, so that you know that your car will be able to start. So that's something I learned moving to Chicago. Y'all know I'm from Belize, so I did not realize that if it's super duper cold and come on dog, I need to get home. I'm getting irritated with traffic now, so I need to get the fuck home. Come on, dog. Because buddy here can't fucking do what they need to fucking do. Anyways, let me get home. Anyways, like I was saying, I didn't realize until I moved to Chicago that you have to have I'm getting irritated with traffic, y'all. That's just the second situation. I don't have a stop sign. You have to wait on me. I'm getting irritated with traffic. Anyways, like I was saying, this is the 5th time I'm trying to complete my thought here. I didn't realize until I got to Chicago that you, like, when it's cold, if you don't have enough gas in your car won't start. So now I have to make sure I have enough gas because I'm literally, like, I'm on the last line. And I'm under 20 miles for sure. So that's gonna be my last, it's gonna be my last stop. You know why? I just realized I was supposed to stop at Walgreens to pick up my prescription. We could do that tomorrow. I don't even need it right away because it's really like when I'm having the symptoms that I take it. I guess I need to have it on hand though, right? Yeah, so anyways, enough rambling. I will check you guys when I get home. All right, guys, so I'm back home. I'm about to tidy up the kitchen and unpack. Outside was crazy. But I should have known it's the weekend before Christmas, so yeah. Anywho, I am going to end today's vlog. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I will be back tomorrow with another day in Vlogmas. If you're not yet subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Tell a friend to subscribe because I am trying to get to my goal of 3,500 subscribers. So just double check, okay? It don't hurt. It's free 99. So double check that you're subscribed. I would really appreciate it, like I said. But nonetheless, thank you guys for all of your love and support. Until next video. Bye, guys.